Hi there, my name is Mike Ressa with Keysight Technologies. I'm the Signal Integrity Application Scientist in the Internet Infrastructure Group at Keysight Technologies.
And I'm Scott McMorrow. I'm a Signal Integrity Strategic Engineer in our Signal Integrity department that designs our high-performance connectors and cables.
And what we're showing today here at DesignCon 2025 is our flagship 16-port, 67 gigahertz vector network analyzer. And we're testing a very high-speed, high-performance, high-quality mezzanine connector called NovaRay from Samtec.
And NovaRay is a high-performance mezzanine connector. On this particular board, we are connecting to it with 4 differential pairs in, 4 differential pairs out to meet the performance of the Keysight measurement equipment. And we have 2 inches of trace, total trace on each board, going through Samtec high-precision RF connectors to the Samtec box.
A critical part of doing the signal integrity analysis is to make sure that you do all the data crunching of the S parameters as much as possible and view in different domains, not just frequency domain. So what we're showing here on the display is insertion loss and return loss that you would expect, but also we can do an inverse fast Fourier transform and look at the impedance profile as well as synthesize an eye diagram by extracting the impulse response from S parameters and doing a convolution with the virtual pattern generator.
So we use this bad boy that Keysight manufactures for our high precision testing and correlation of Samtec products.
So we'd like to encourage you to go to our website, keysight.com/find/PLTS.
And we'd invite you to come for more information to samtec.com. We thank you very much for your time.
Thanks for being here.